Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome to ICT Year 4 and in today's lesson we're going to continue with artificial intelligence. In the last lesson we've defined what is artificial intelligence, and we've said that it's the theory and development of computer systems that are able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. In other words, we're trying to make computers think just like a human being. One of the things that computers now do using artificial intelligence is, the first one we studied about was visual perception. Visual perceptions refers to the brain's ability to make sense of what the eyes see. Computers, however, do have visual perception, and it recognizes shapes, faces, pictures, and a lot of other things. The second thing was speech recognition. Speech recognition is the ability of a machine or a program to identify words and phrases in spoken language, just like Siri, Bixby, and other programs that we speak to, and then it executes the commands that we've given to. In today's lesson, we're going to learn more about decision making. How can you make a computer or a program make decisions for you? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, to explain decision making, let me tell you a story. Imagine that you live in a smart house. Alright, so imagine that you live in a smart house where everything is enhanced with the artificial intelligence technology. Okay, so you entered the house the first day and you asked the house, please turn on lights. That is speech recognition. You also asked, please turn on the AC. That is also a speech recognition. And you also said, please turn on the TV. That is also speech recognition. So you entered the first day and you've asked the house to turn on the lights, the AC, and the TV. You entered the second day on the same time and you asked the house to do all three commands: turn on lights, turn on TV, and turn on the AC. And then the third day, the house is smart. Automatically it will detect that the minute you enter, you will ask to turn on lights, AC, and the TV. So it's going to take this decision for you by turning on lights, TV, and AC all together without even you asking. So AI programs itself so that the computer make decisions for you based on previous events in the past. So let's read the definition for decision making. Computers can now make decisions on behalf using stored data from the past. So it collects data from the previous days or months or years, and then computers have been most useful as decision aids as in it helps you into making decisions when applied to well-structured problems. Decision-making software are used in big organizations where you feed your computer with data, and your computer could suggest better ways to handle your business. The next type is translation between languages. Well, in translation between languages, we would also be using speech recognition, or if you type the language, it would not be speech recognition, it would be translation between languages. From Arabic to English, Arabic to Chinese, the Chinese language is called Mandarin, okay, or French or Italian. With the aid of AI, soon you will be able to translate a whole book in seconds using AI software. Let me give you an example. This is a translation program that detects the language and then translates it into English. So let's write a word, let's say in Spanish, amigo. It detected that this language is Portuguese, and in English it means friend. See? let's try translating from Arabic without having to choose the language. Let's write As-salam. Al-salam. So it detected that this language is Arabic, and in English it means peace. You can also use speech recognition to translate between languages. Google has a necklace that you can wear around your neck, and whenever someone speaks in a foreign language to you, that necklace actually translates the language to your language. It could be English or Arabic, and then it tells you exactly what that person said. In other words, artificial intelligence, AI, is the general study of making intelligent machines. We want to make machines intelligent. Machine learning, ML, is a subset of AI. So ML is a part or subset of AI. It focuses on the ability of machines to receive data and learn for themselves without being programmed with rules. So in basic words, it programs itself. Machines that programs itself without having the need of a human being to write programs on them. ML, which is machine learning, differ from traditional programming by allowing you to teach your program with examples rather than a list of instructions. Instead of writing instructions or rules while programming, machine learning enables you to train an algorithm so that it could learn on its own. So you will write an algorithm so that the program trains the computer to learn on its own, and then adjust and improve as it learns more about the information it is processing. Alright, so in today's lesson we learned about how can a computer make decisions for you, and how can a computer or a program translates between languages and even detects which language you are trying to translate from. So in general, artificial intelligence has 4 kinds of intelligence. The first one is visual perception, the second one is speech recognition, the third one is decision making, and the last one is translation between languages. In the next lesson, we're going to try to train a computer to make up a smart classroom like this one. We're going to use commands to turn on the fan and turn on the lamp, and turn both of them on and off both. We're going to use Scratch in that activity. Well, that is it for this lesson. If you guys have any comments, please use the add button, and please pay full attention, because at the end of this unit there will be a quick assessment about artificial intelligence. However, this is the second lesson. There will be more lessons coming through. Well, that is it for this lesson. Till I see you in the next lesson, you guys take good care. Bye.